Here's how to set up your bereal account. Go to Play Store or App Store, then look for the bereal app. Then click Install. While waiting for it to download, you see here you can send one notification to everyone. You have 2 minutes to share what you're up to. All your friends can post at the same time. You can comment and react with real emojis and go back in time with your memories. Isn't that amazing? Now we're done downloading. Let's open the app. Just click Get Started to proceed. Then enter your name, your birthday, your phone number. Just blur this one out for privacy purposes. And after that, a code will be sent for verification. After verifying, you can now use your bereal app. You can sync your contact if you want to, and if you click the notification, you can take your very first bereal. Of course, you have to allow permission for your camera, then you can start capturing a bereal. After that, you can send it to your friends or to everyone, or you can also share your location or save the bereal on your device. Just waiting for it to upload. Then there you go. It's posted now. Clicking the top right button brings you to more options. And clicking 3 dots brings you to settings. You can tweak more things here and have full control of your notification. Very easy, right? In this way, you can bereal.